Thank you and a very good evening to all of you. We have the All India Trinamool Congress Chairperson Ms. Mamata Banerjee present in the stage, fellow Member of Parliaments, all dignitaries and guests present, and everyone who has turned up for today's meeting. Especially I convey my wholehearted thanks to Mr. Churchill Alemao and his daughter Valanka Alemao, who came to Calcutta a month back, and I was in that meeting when they met our chairperson, when they met Didi. Mr. Alemao very specifically said that we want a change in Goa. I want to fight the BJP, but I don't have the platform. So every Goans think that if there is any platform which can take on the might of BJP and defeat the BJP, today from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, it is only Trinamool Congress, and we look up to you as the leader of the country. I thank him from the core of my heart for showing the way. And Trinamool Congress, when we stepped into Goa for the very first time in the month of October, we started from the scratch. We literally had to start from zero. Now if you see from my perspective the amount and the kind of people that have turned up for today's meeting, it will be sending BJP into a complete jittery mode, and they will have sleepless nights from today itself. The enthusiasm that I see, the excitement that I see among the Goans who desperately want a change. Last time in 2017, back in the assembly elections also, you voted against them. But BJP very cunningly took the backdoor entry. Congress emerged as the single largest party in 2017, but they failed to respect and maintain and keep the people's mandate. They bartered that mandate to make sure that their leaders are safe from CBI and ED. Now this is where Trinamool comes. Trinamool will never barter against your emotions. Trinamool will not sell its spine and soul to BJP. There are 1700 political parties in the country, in the fray of politics in the country. Trinamool Congress is the only party, and Didi is the only leader who has taken on BJP head on. They are using ED, they are using income tax, they are using CBI and every investigating agency they have at their disposal to intimidate the political parties in the opposition. But we are the only party who will not be cowed down by this intimidation tactics. Let me tell you, Trinamool Congress is here to fight it out against the BJP, and we will fight till the last drop of our blood for you. It is ultimately the Goans who has to decide. Do you want a change, or do you want to be remote controlled and governed by some people who are sitting in Delhi and Gujarat? It is for your future you have to decide. You have to take a call. It is your battle. It is not Trinamool versus BJP, or it is not Trinamool versus Congress or Aam Aadmi Party. It is 3 alphabet versus 3 alphabet. It is BJP versus GOA. It is BJP versus the people of Goa. You have to decide who do you want. Why do the Goans want to live at the mercy of the leaders who want to control you sitting in other states? They are spreading rumors against TMC. The TMC will run away. Trinamool will not run away. Trinamool will put its life at stake, but will not barter your emotions for their own political vested interest. This is the basic difference between Trinamool and the Congress. You gave the mandate to Congress. Congress failed to form the government. This time, you have to make sure that you give the mandate to Trinamool, and Trinamool will oust them from Goa. I promise you, we will usher in and bring a new dawn for the people of Goa in the days to come. And we have shown the way. In Bengal, you have seen whatever Didi has said. What is the basic difference between Didi and other political leaders? Whatever Didi says and whatever Trinamool promises, We will keep our promise. We will not mince our words after the elections and the polls are over. Whatever we will say, we will deliver it to the last word. Didi made the promises before Bengal elections. She announced of universal household scheme for women. She turned it into reality in 3 months' time. We were given a mandate for 5 years. She could have done it in 2022. She could have done it in 2023. She could have done it in 2024. But she chose to do it in the next 3 months. This is the difference. Didi said we will make sure that ration is delivered to your doorstep. We have initiated the process. We announced that we will start with student credit card, where every youth will be given a loan of 10 lakh rupees. We have implemented that in 3 months' time. This is the difference. When Trinamool commits something, Trinamool delivers it. Trinamool will not run away. BJP committed 15 lakhs to your account. Did any one of you present here within the crowd have received 15 paisa from Modi government? Can any one of you raise your hand and tell me that yes, I am the one who has received? You ask anyone in Bengal that what Didi has promised in Bengal, has it been implemented or not? Within 3 months of forming the government and becoming the chief minister for the 3rd time, she has delivered all the promises she made. This is the basic difference. BJP is also making promises. Other political parties are also making promises. Now they are following Trinamool's line that we will also give 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees to every woman in the household. Didi has shown the way. We are the first one to implement a universal household scheme for every woman in the family in the state of Bengal. And now we have announced the Griya Lakshmi scheme. When you have original present within yourself, when you have original present as an option to choose from, why will the Goans choose the duplicates? I want to ask you. When you have the original person who delivered on the promise of good governance and implemented those schemes, then why will you choose from duplicates? Trinamool is the most secular party, I tell you. If you look at the acronym of Trinamool, TMC, T stands for temple, M stands for mosque, and C stands for church. This is the ideology Trinamool believes in. Trinamool doesn't believe in divisive politics. Trinamool doesn't believe in bringing religion into politics. Trinamool believes in inclusivity. Trinamool believes in delivering of schemes and making Goa a better state, a corruption-free state, a state which will eventually give people hope to live and give some hope for the younger generations to come. I want to tell you, last time when BJP faced assembly elections back in 2017, they took the backdoor entry to govern you, to establish the government and rule above all of you. Now this time in 2022, we have to show them the front door exit. In 2017, they took the backdoor entry. In 2022, all of you have to make sure they are shown the front door exit. This is what the Goans have to do. And Trinamool is going to fight till the last drop of his blood. We are with you. Trinamool wants Goa to be ruled by Goans. We want to make it very clear. It is your fight. You have to fight. It is your battle. You all have to eventually come out and fight this yourself. Trinamool will stand with you shoulder to shoulder in this fight, and Didi will stand beside you. Trinamool is that platform, is that vehicle where you can come, join and be a part of this revolution and make sure that this corrupt BJP government is ousted from Goa in the next 2 months. This is our fight we have to do. There are 1700 political parties. Only one political party has not surrendered or sold its spine to the BJP, that is Trinamool Congress. Like they are intimidating all political parties, they are also intimidating Trinamool. But come what may, this is the basic difference. This is what makes Trinamool stand apart. This is what makes Trinamool different from other political parties in the political fray. So I will request all of you, thank you for coming up, and you have to make sure, thank you for turning out in large numbers in today's rally. Braving the heat, you have been able to participate, and all those who have come with their family and well-wishers. We have to act. It's time we act. The other political parties also do political rallies and make speeches. When you go back home, you have to go back with an optimism in your heart and a vision in your mind. That come what may, we will exercise our franchise this year, as in the next 2 months, and we'll make sure that we will defeat the BJP. Every one of you present in today's rally, it is your fight. Trinamool doesn't believe in sitting at the comfort of their homes like Congress do. If you have the fire in your belly to take on the BJP and BJP's might and blitz, Trinamool is the platform. So if you have the fire in your belly to fight, Trinamool is the platform. We will fight and we will defeat them. This is what I want to tell all of you. Thank you very much. All the best.